Okay, so my kids wanted pancakes today, so let's do some fluffy buttermilk pancakes. Here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and these are 2 lightly packed cups. These aren't really packed in. I will put the weighted measurements and ingredients in the description below. So my flour goes in the bowl here. I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Give that a mix. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You could also use 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm going to add 1½ cups of buttermilk. I'm going to start with 1 cup and work in the rest to make sure I don't overdo it. I'm going to add the rest. And if you are not weighing your flour, then just keep extra buttermilk or whole milk. You could use whole milk in this as well on the side, just to work it in. And this will not be a smooth batter. You just want to make sure everything's combined, sort of scrape the sides, and let it hang out. By the way, I also added 2 tablespoons of sugar. Forgot to mention that. I'll put things like notes and things like that in the description below. So I'm going to let this hang out until I preheat my griddle. So I am preheating my griddle on a low heat setting. You want to make sure you do this on low, and yeah, that's getting there. I'm going to actually go over it, a paper towel with a little bit of oil on it, just like that, and kind of swipe the griddle surface. Well, so I'm going to just kind of take a ladle full of my pancake batter. If I had to guess, it's somewhere between 1/2 cup and 3/4 of a cup, right in the center. And I'm going to let this cook on the first side until I start seeing a lot of these little air bubbles kind of rise up to the surface of the pancake. That is a good indication that it's a good time to flip. And also you'll start to see the edges cook a little bit. They'll start turning a more solid white color. Okay, so you could also kind of peek underneath. Oh yeah, that's a nice color. So what I'm going to do is flip. There we go. And I'm going to let that continue cooking on the other side. And for some reason, the first pancake always kind of comes out wonky, but as I progress making more pancakes, they kind of get that nice, even golden brown color. So I'm just going to continue the process, and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so here are 4 of my fluffy pancakes. I think out of this entire batch, you can get 8 to 10, depending on the size. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.